Hi, my name is Emma and I'm a flower designer from Interoses. In this video, I'm going to give you some pro tips on how to arrange the perfect bouquet so that your roses will last a long time and look beautiful. Today we'll be working with 25 Ecuadorian roses. You'll need a vase, preferably a tall vase to accommodate the long stems, and gardening scissors. Inside of each bouquet we send, there will be 2 packets of flower food. Fill 3/4 of the vase with water and add 1 packet of flower food before you arrange the bouquet. Change the water and add the second package of flower food after 3 days. This is how your roses will be packaged when you receive them. First, take them out of the box. They travel all the way from Ecuador to their delivery destination, and therefore they will come wrapped in paper and cardboard to protect them from the humidity. Unwrap the roses. Cut the rubber band. Now you are ready to start arranging the bouquet. Each rose has guard petals. These help protect the more delicate interpetals. Gently remove the guard petals. There shouldn't be more than 3. You will see that the bloom is closed. This is a good sign. It means that the roses are fresh, and due to this, they will live longer. Over the next 3 days, you will notice that the roses will start to open more each day. They should fully bloom within 7 days. Now you'll want to remove the extra foliage. Make sure to take off the leaves that are going to fall below the waterline. This will keep the water clean and will prevent bacterial growth that can make roses wilt quickly. Cut the stems diagonally. This will allow the roses to better absorb the water and flower food they need to blossom. Lastly, arrange the roses in a crisscross fashion, working from the outside in, like this. Keep the roses in a cool place, out of direct sunlight and away from drafts. Remember that in 3 days you need to change the water, add a second pocket of flower food, and cut the roses about 1 inch shorter. If you follow all of these tips, Interoses and I will personally guarantee that in 7 days or more, your roses will be looking healthy and spectacular. Enjoy your bouquet.
Visit us at interoses.com or check out our Facebook and Instagram pages for more information.